The Silentsystem TX-350 BT transmitter is a device that offers high performance with a range that extends up to 350 meters, perfectly calibrated for larger spaces. Thanks to its internal battery, it ensures up to 3 hours of autonomy without power. Its high-definition audio quality and ease of use make the TX-350 BT versatile and easy to handle. On the rear panel, there are RCA audio inputs, a power selector to optimize coverage, and a 3.5mm input for microphones. On the front of the device, you'll find an LCD display and main controls, including the channel selection button, Bluetooth activator, and DC connector for charging.